Hey everyone, haven't put a video out in a little while, so it's about time. I've got a couple projects I'm going to be doing soon. One of them is to put a DRO on my drill press. As soon as that comes in, I'll work on a video for that. I've got a couple videos on the Hemingway drill sharpening jig that I put together that I've got to go through, and I'll be posting those. I built it to go on this drill and cutter sharpener, but I also have this nice one here that is actually adjustable. The Hemingway only does 118 unless you shim it. So I'll get those videos out. I've also got, I've been working on this 2.5 inch gauge steam locomotive. This one's a Green Arrow version. And so I'll be doing some videos on that periodically. I just got the lubricator finished up. That took me quite a while to get that done. I still have some work to do on it, as I've got some solder blobs to get rid of and make the eccentric strap and all that yet. Cylinders are honed and done. I've still got to do some work in the steam boxes, make the connecting rods and all that good stuff, but that'll be coming over time. This is the Hemingway kit that I got from Bernie Clark. Put this together. He's got the assembly PDF that I did on it, and so we'll see what happens with that. But I got this kit from him. He sent it to me from over in Australia. Took me quite a while to get this done. So those videos just have to be edited, and then I'll start posting some of those. But there's some things coming up. At the end of this video, I'll have a short clip of a boiler feed pump that Greg Gray built while he was still here with us. Really neat little pump. I'm hoping I can incorporate it onto this Green Arrow somehow. That's my goal. So we'll see what happens. Still a lot of work to do on this. This is still at least a couple years out from being completed. I do have the boiler, but everything else I still need to start working on. Anyways, hopefully I can get some videos out here pretty soon. We'll start off with this one here.